Where do I sit? Here? Okay. Which camera? This one? Got it. People have been asking me the same question every single week. So, you going to Sturgis? What's the plan? You head north this year? I'll see you in Sturgis, right? I wish the answer was different. For the past 2 years, we've packed the bikes, left Texas, and chased the horizon. Thousands of miles, hundreds of gallons of fuel, countless gas station burritos that probably should have stayed in the warmer. We laughed. We got rained on. We got sunburned. We questioned our life choices somewhere in Kansas. But somehow, we always made it. The Rusty Bolts. Some call us a riding group. Some call us friends. Some call us a collection of middle-aged men who require bathroom breaks every 90 miles. All that can be true. This year, things were different. Schedules, family commitments, work, life. And despite my best efforts, we just couldn't get a group together and make it work. It's as much as my fault as anybody else's. I even considered going alone, but how could I make a hotel reservation by myself without Roadwang's help? How could I make that ride without the smell of a rich woman's French poodle by my side? So, after much reflection, several conversations, I've made a decision. I will not be attending Sturgis 2026. I know. This has probably been difficult for some of you to hear. Hopefully, this video can finally answer that question. At least until somebody comments, so you going to Sturgis? Good news is, Sturgis ain't going anywhere. Neither are the Black Hills, and neither am I. The plan is simple. We will regroup. We'll get the Rusty Bolts a little more organized, and if everything lines up, we'll get them pointed north again in 2027. Until then, there's still plenty of roads to ride, plenty of adventures to have, and trust me, we've got some really cool rides planned that I can't wait to share with all of you. So no, I'm not going to Sturgis this year, but I appreciate every single one of you for asking. Even if you asked 3 times this week. Now, we got that out of the way. Let's go for a ride.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall, and I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Probably not the best place to record audio, but man, I just got back. That first little opener there, which by the way, hopefully all of you know that was sarcasm, or not sarcasm. I don't think I'm that important that I need to do that, but I was thinking, I get so many messages about Sturgis, and I was thinking about, instead of just saying no, no, no all the time, I'm not going. You see that viral trend all over social media of the Netflix documentary spoof kind of thing, so that's what that was. But I do wish I was going to Sturgis. I hope this Loud Ash Road. I just got back. I filmed that in a hotel room in Denver, Colorado. I was out there on business, and I used to love. I've traveled for work for 25 years, and I used to love it. And there's parts that I still love. Hanging out with the coworkers who are friends and for a couple days. But man, the airports is just a nightmare. We were supposed to land in Denver at 3 p.m. and we landed at 3 a.m. So it was basically 12-hour delayed from when we were supposed to get there. And then by the time we got to the hotel, I probably laid my head on the pillow at 5. Alarm went off at 6:30. And then coming back, I think you can blame part of it on the weather. We've been getting a ton of rain in Texas, which is unusual for this time of year. But I don't know. I know the flight out there had not weather related. It was American Airlines related. Just terrible. Anyway, being locked in airports for days, it's like I needed to get out and go for a little ride. So that's what I'm doing. But we've gotten a lot of rain while I've been gone, especially down in the hill country, down around Lakey, where the home of the Twisted in Texas. I did a video on this, so go back and check that out if you haven't seen that yet. But I've gotten a 12 or 15 content creator channels that are going to be there. So we're going to really try to promote that and make it worth their while to come down there. So if you do have a YouTube channel and you're coming to Twisted in Texas, let me know. Send me an email, thebogeybiker@gmail.com. And let me know you're coming. Hopefully you'll promote the event and get some of your viewers to come. It's going to be a fun time. If you saw when we went to Oklahoma City, just getting groups of people together, man, we have a great time and lots of fun folks. And a lot of those folks are going to be there, those other channels. So yeah, man, come join the community. It's a fun time. But I am not going to Sturgis. I want to go, but it just didn't work out this year. And again, a lot of that I was just being silly. But it is hard to get people's schedules together, and but some of my fondest memories are from that event. So if you are going, I hope you have a good time. I sure hope you can hear me. These freaking cars. I may have to reshoot this whole thing if you can't hear me, if this audio is terrible. I'm trying to use my wireless mic, but anyway, if you are going to Sturgis, I hope you have a great time. I wish I was going to be there. I'm not. I would guess that we'll be back in 2027. I hope so. And if you got any questions about anything, if you've never been before, I'm certainly not an expert, but I've been a couple of times. So if I can help you, like I said, shoot me an email or a message on Instagram or something, and I'll be glad to do that. Well, nice to be back on Roja and not sitting on a tarmac in Denver or DFW. I hadn't ridden her since we got back from Oklahoma City. All right, take a listen to this familiar song. It's going to be Jeffrey Music's next release. Early August. I think August 4th. If it's different than that, I'll put the date here. But this is one I know you all love.
Sometimes life will kick you in the teeth, even though you try. You get down on your knees and ask him why. Your world turns upside down and everything feels like a fight. Don't let the hard days win and you'll be alright. Remember what your mom and daddy told you. The joys in life come from little things. You've been knocked down before. Pick yourself up off the floor. Don't let the hard days win anymore. When the colors turn gray, you look up to the sun, can't find the rays. And tomorrow is the same as yesterday. When everything seems lost, the devil finds his way. Don't let the hard days win and you'll be okay. Remember what your mom and daddy told you. The joys in life come from little things. You've been knocked down before. You pick yourself up off the floor. Don't let the hard days win anymore. Remember what your mom and daddy told you. The joys in life come from little things. You've been knocked down before. Pick yourself up off the floor. Don't let the hard days win anymore. Don't let the hard days win anymore.
I don't know how much you could hear from that loud ass road back there. So if the audio didn't come out, I'll try to figure out how to do some voiceover or something. But I guess you already know whether I did or not. But I think it's been over 2 years that I put out a video every single Sunday. And thinking about taking a little bit of a break. Not much. I'm still loving this and having a great time. But I put undue pressure on myself to put out a 15 or 20 minute video every Sunday. And we've got a vacation coming up, and I'm going to really try hard to just enjoy the vacation. But I might do some shorts or something. And I'm not saying I'm not going to have a video out next Sunday. I don't know yet. But if I miss a Sunday or two, don't worry. I'm the bogey biker, and I'm here to stay. But I'm wearing one of my Mild Hogs hats. If you haven't checked out their videos from the Oklahoma trip, go do so. And all the other content creators that were there that I mentioned in the video, I'll try to link them all in the description below. But there's been a lot of content from that thing because it was a great event. Just like Sturgis is going to be a great event for many of you. Again, sorry I'm not going to be there. But I know it's going to be a great time, and I can't wait to see all the videos that come from that. And Twisted in Texas is going to be the best one yet. We're really looking forward to it. So I had something really important that I was going to talk about when I got back, I think. And I don't really remember. Anyway, it's good to be home. Don't let the hard days win. See you next time.
Yeah, honey,